This presentation is on problem solving using the Y tree and is designed to teach a standardized approach for your people at all levels of the organization. Good problem solving skills within your company will cause your business to thrive while making everyone's life easier in the process. Enjoy. While problem solving does not have to be difficult, there are many that like to make it sound that way. People are not born as natural problem solvers, and you don't need a college degree to learn to be a good problem solver either. Good problem solving skills can be taught, and that is what I'm going to do. My goal is to teach you a simple, standardized approach that can be used in your business or personal life. You can also use this training video to teach others at your business. When completed, you will fully understand and be ready to use the concepts taught here. When we become good at problem solving, we start eliminating the problems that cause our heads to spin once and for all. Our life becomes much easier, and we suddenly have more time and less frustration. You are probably watching this video because that is exactly the direction you want to go in your life. Let's first discuss what a problem is or is not. A problem is the difference between the actual conditions and the desired conditions, and you don't know how to solve it. Let's put this in simpler terms. Let's change desired condition with want and change actual condition with have. So the difference between what we have and what we want is the problem. And remember, it's only a problem if you don't already know what the solution is. Let me give you a simple illustration of what a problem is. Barney here wants a female companion, but he does not have one, and he doesn't know exactly what to do about it. That is Barney's problem. That seems pretty straightforward, doesn't it? The biggest type of problem people face is when something suddenly goes wrong. Captain Jack here is flying 300 passengers across the continent when all of a sudden the plane starts to go down. In this case, the pilot wants to have full control of the plane again, but what he has is a plane that is going down and he doesn't know what happened or what to do about it. Does the pilot have a problem? 100% affirmative. Everyone has problems in their life at one time or another, so we all have the responsibility and opportunity to solve problems many times in our lives. It is absolutely best when we solve a problem so it never, ever returns again. When you solve problems this way, your life becomes much easier. When it comes to problem solving, some people just start shooting from the hip. This can be a very costly, time-consuming, and frustrating approach. Preferable to this would be to take some aim at our target. After all, if we take the time to aim carefully at our target, we increase the chance of hitting the bullseye. Let's use a hypothetical problem that everyone can relate to. Let's say you arrive late to work. By the way, always clearly define the problem in as few words as possible, while also making sure everyone can understand what the problem is. And the reason we arrive to work late is because our car would not start. Many people put a lot of emphasis on root cause analysis, which is finding out exactly what caused the car not to start. This is a fishbone diagram, which is another tool that can be used for determining the root cause of a problem. And while sometimes finding the root cause is important, finding the best solution that will prevent the problem from reoccurring is the most important objective. In this case, let's say you were at the end of your ropes with this piece of junk anyway, and had decided you were going to buy a new car. Do you really care what exactly caused your old car not to start? Not really. Will the new car be a proper solution to your problem and get you to work reliably for many years to come? Absolutely. My point is, solutions are more important than causes, and in my opinion, outweigh them greatly. Alright, let's do a reality check. You've got a crap car, you were late to work because it wouldn't start, and you have no money to buy a new car. You now need to know what caused your car not to start so you will be able to fix it. The why tree method is the focus of this presentation, but it relies on knowing the 5 why root cause analysis method. The 5 why method for determining root cause is one of the simplest methods to learn and to complete. You start with a clear problem statement, then ask why the problem happened, and write the answer down. If that answer did not identify the root cause, continue asking why until it does. Let's go through an example. For example, our problem is we woke up late. We would then ask, why did we wake up late? Because the alarm did not go off. Why did the alarm not go off? Because the time reset on the alarm clock. Why did the time reset on the clock? Because the power went out. Why did the power go out? Because of severe thunderstorms. Why were there severe thunderstorms? We don't know. Notice here that solutions are out of our control when the power went out. We do not have control over the power or the weather, so the line of questioning should stop when we do not have control over the cause. One of the problems with the 5 why root cause analysis is it only allows for one line of questioning. Based on the answers you give, you can get off the trail to solutions very quickly. Let's back up and change the answer to why did the time reset on the clock to because the clock lost power. Why did the alarm clock lose power? The backup battery was not installed. Why was the backup battery not installed? Because we did not have one at the time. Take notice that the answers you give will dramatically change the outcome. You must also ensure the answers are accurate, or once again, you will be on a wild goose chase. We now have a root cause that we have control over and an easy solution to the problem. Having a backup battery installed in the alarm clock allows it to continue working in the event of a power outage. This solution is very simple and effective with a very low cost. It is easy to implement and has no negative consequences. While the 5 why root cause analysis is a good and simple tool, I find the why tree diagram is a much better tool for brainstorming multiple possible causes of the problem. Discovering multiple causes of the problem allows you to develop multiple potential solutions to the problem. You would use the same 5 why approach, but the tree diagram allows you to list multiple potential causes to each why. There is no limit to the size or shape of your why tree. Let me share an example of using the why tree. I hope you've enjoyed this preview version of my video. When you register on my website, extremelean.us, you will receive free access to all of my full-length educational videos on subjects including lean, continuous improvement, and Six Sigma quality. These are full-length videos with superb video quality that can be used for personal viewing or for training others. New videos are being produced on a regular basis, and you will be informed as each new video becomes available. Please feel free to share this website with your colleagues.